Hi friends, this video shows how to find and install all free adventure games in the PlayStation Store. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to Games. Select Games tab from top left corner. Then select PlayStation Store. Now we are inside PlayStation Store. Here go to top. Then go to right side and select Browse tab. Then go down. Now on left side you can see sort and filter option. Select it. Go to price. Here select free. Then go back. Select category. Select adventure. Done. Then go back. See, now we are seeing all free adventure games in the PlayStation Store. Now from this list we can select one. Let me select one adventure game. Then select this download button. That way we can download and install this game in PS5. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.